Today is Monday, it's a new week. Welcome to another video. I'm documenting trading my account. Yeah guys, before I forget, I always forget to say subscribe in my videos. So guys, you guys should subscribe, like and comment. I always reply everybody comments. So ask your questions, put whatever you think in the comments and I'll reply you. So right now I'm on a trade. I'm not on a trade actually. I want to take this trade, this buy, right? But it seems like price is already leaving me. But because of these two equal lows right here, I think price is going to come back and tap me in. But it's very annoying because I already waited for this confirmation all day. If price doesn't come back and tap me in, it will be very annoying. So yeah, this is a 1 to 10 trade actually. So yeah, let's see what happens. Guys, I made a rookie mistake here. I was supposed to enter here, right? So when price was playing around, it didn't tap me in. I entered manually, and now I'm in 2 positions. That's the most rookie mistake ever in the history of trading, and that's just crazy. Now I'm on 2 positions now. If this thing hit SL, I'll be in a serious loss on the 50k account. But on the 10k account, the 10k account is fine. But the 50k account, that's where I made that mistake. I'm just hoping that it goes above that entry, so I close it. I know that I'm not over leveraging on the account because it's very annoying now. So guys, I just hit SL on that trade. It's very annoying because normally I'm not supposed to be this angry, but I'm angry because I entered when I was not supposed to enter. Like way above. I wanted to like do an instant entry and I already had a limit. Right, price was already reversing. I think it was kind of like emotional in such a way that I fear of missing out was what happened, and that's why I called it a rookie mistake. It's something that I'm over it. I usually miss a lot of entries on these channels, and you guys see that I miss a lot of entries. So I don't know why today I decided to just enter impulsively. So that's what's pissing me off the most. Had it been I hit SL normally, I'm not gonna get angry, but whenever I break my rules, I get very furious and it spoils my mood for the whole day. It's very annoying. So yeah, that's what's really pissing me off right now, and I'm angry at myself for doing that. You guys, today is Tuesday, I think so. Today is Tuesday, and I just entered this trade on gold, so it's a buy trade. As you can see, it's already about almost 1 to 3, and it's going well. So the initial trade is like a 1 to 8. I'm holding it. If we hit this trade, right, then I think we're down about 5% on the account. Then we should be up to just only 1% left to come back to break even. So I hope we hit this trade. This is a big trade. You can see it's big compared to other trades, so I might hold this for the entire week. I don't know yet, so let's just see how price moves, but it's a major move. So guys, this trade just hit SL. As you can see, it went up and all of a sudden this just came down and came to hit our SL. So SL, guys, I'm suffering, guys. See, price came to stop me out and now it's moving back. I'm gonna put my entry back where it was. Hopefully we get this entry. I don't know why price has been doing this thing to me these past days. It's already becoming like annoying. My stop loss is not in a place that is predictable. I put my stop loss way down. You see this green line I put it way below safe. I don't know why this is just happening to me continuously. It's literally almost like someone is watching me. I swear, it's almost like someone is watching me, because there's no way this thing is possible. There's no way this is possible. Like my exact stop loss and just starts reversing. Like bro, this thing was already in like 1 to 3. This thing is in 1 to 3, and these are the things that I can't take when trading. This kind of frustrations that happen every single time. I can take it the first time, second time, third time, guy. What's this? Like at this point, it's just insane. See where price came all the way from here. Price came over 100 and something pips to just come and stop me out and start moving. I don't know if this is a valid crash out, but guys, this is fucking annoying. This bullshit. Yo guys, Update on the trades. Actually, I took that Bitcoin trade yesterday. Right, after the Bitcoin stopped us out, I re-entered. Actually, I re-entered again because I was like, there's no way price is gonna stop me out and go my direction again. Cause I know I'm right in my directional bias, but just that price comes to stop me out sometimes. Yeah, and a lot of you are saying that I should use swing low, but I understand what you mean by the swing low, right? But the thing is, I use entry confirmations, and when I use entry confirmations, the swing low of the higher time frame has already been taken. I don't know if you guys understand, but the swing low has already been taken before I enter the trade. Yeah, so some people say I should use the swing low. It doesn't make sense for me to put my SL in a pattern that is already efficient. Wherever I put my SL, I make sure that those places are no longer efficient for price. So any other thing that wants to happen is going to be market sweep, the market just doing its thing. These are normal things in market. So I'm sure that, okay, yes, this thing that just happened is either market swept me or market is just going to continue to the downside. My trade is invalid. So I don't want you guys to get me wrong on the aspect that my SL is small. It's fine. I promise you it's fine. So the same strategy I used to pass my account, the same strategy I'll still use to pass this account. So I want to show you guys the trade that I'm on. Here it is. So I re-entered the trade. Let me delete this. So you guys will discover that gold has been consolidating for a while. It has entered my entry multiple times. It's been consolidating for a while. So I have to watch out for this place that I marked at the top. I have to watch out for it. But my total bias is that gold is going to move to the upside. I'll show you guys on the 4 hours so you guys will see what I'm saying. Sorry, on the hourly. You see the reversal happening here. You discover that everywhere here is efficient. Even the other block down here on the daily has been mitigated. So like a lot of you people don't understand my strategy. One day I'll still explain this thing to you guys to an extent, not everything, but to an extent. But you guys can see that price has been reversing for my entry, which means my entry is a valid point, but the momentum has not kicked in. Today is purely news. So it's a trade from yesterday I've been holding. I didn't take any trade today. Today is Wednesday. Not taking any trade today, and right now it's 4:51. I don't think I'll be taking any trades anymore. But yeah, I've not really checked the charts today for anything. But yeah, I'm also looking for a reversal on GJ. I'm looking for an entry confirmation off of this place. GJ has already gotten there, so I need an entry confirmation to buy GJ from here, guys. So yeah, Bitcoin on the other hand, I'm looking for Bitcoin to come up to this place for me to sell back. So yeah, that's the update on the trade, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Yeah guys, got my confirmation. I put my entry here. Hopefully price comes and tap me in. So my entry is already there. This is for GJ, right? I don't want to be trading GJ at night. So let's just see how this trade goes. If I see that it's coming back to entry and it's already getting to market close, then I'll just close the trade. So for people that don't understand what I'm saying for my stop losses, you guys look at my stop loss. You discover that it's at the bottom of this low, right? So if this low gets taken out, it's going to get swept regardless if it gets taken out. Either that price keeps going or it's just a sweep. So when people say swing low, I don't know what you guys mean. That should I put my stop loss here? Because this is the swing low. But the reason why I'm putting my stop loss here is because this entire area now is efficient. And now, what does that mean by efficient? You see, this last imbalance that was here has been swept by this zone. You see, so there's no more imbalance, so the entire zone is efficient. So any other thing that price wants to come and do back here is just a manipulation. It is not a real trade. So, and these things are normal things that happen in the market. So it's already an efficient zone. If you think I'm joking, let me show you guys something. Let's go to the higher time frame. So you discover that, see, it's been efficient for a while. It's so efficient. It's an efficient zone now. There's no imbalance. There's no inefficiencies. So I know where I'm putting my stop loss. I don't have issues with putting my stop loss. It's just it is normal for markets to hit your stop loss sometimes, and for market to sweep your stop loss. If your stop loss is as big as a football field, markets can still sweep you. You guys need to understand that these things happen in the market. So yeah, you guys took another loss today. 2 losses today, and honestly, it's looking like I should just leave the market. Like, I should leave the markets and I shouldn't trade again, like at least for the next 1 month, right? Because it's been losses, you get, and like the market conditions are very, how do I explain it, very unpredictable in such a way that market does not follow liquidity the way it used to. You get, doesn't follow liquidity the way it used to. You can see a double top. Market won't sweep it. Market will sweep that double top and go down. It can take maybe like a week before it comes back to that double top. And it was this close to the double top. Market don't do those kind of things before. You get, like, market does not respect anything again. It is very wild. And the reason why we're just taking this loss steady is because market is not even respecting anything. It's not even respecting our point of interest that well. Like, sometimes it's a respect. It's like the past few trades I took now, I still saw like $500 in profits, right? I saw $500 in profit. There was one I saw $700 in profit, right? So I was clearing the liquidities that I thought it was going to keep on clearing. But for some reason, markets will just leave the rest of the liquidity and just come back to nothing. Like, to places that are already efficient. Like, these things don't happen before. You guys need to understand that these things don't happen. Like, efficient areas that market don't need to come back to. These are places that market are coming back to for no reason. Get? Yesterday there was FOMC news. There was like 7 news down for yesterday, right? I was even trying to avoid news trading. You get? But I was holding a trade overnight. I held it till the next day. You guys know the gold trade I was holding. That thing consolidated for hours, like the entire day. What am I saying, hours? The entire day, yeah. It was not even as if there was news at all. Like, news will happen, to just shift up small, consolidate again. I'm just like, what's going on in this market? What's going on? Like, it's very funny. Like, the place I entered from yesterday was supposed to like go up straight. Yeah, but market just kept on going up, come down to my point of interest again, use it again, go up, come back to my point of interest again, like 5 times. It was consolidating, and I was like, bro, no, there's no way. But market conditions now are fucked, I swear. So I don't know, guys. I swear, we're in deep drawdown now, guys. Deep drawdown. So yeah, let's just see on the 10K account. That one is almost gone down, but anything can still happen. But it's kind of cooked for real. So guys, I have this trade on GJ, right? My laptop is low. This trade on GJ, I've not put it yet, but I want to enter from here. I'm looking to enter from here to buy to the upside. So I'm waiting for GJ to give me that retracement to buy to the upside. So for this one, I don't know if I'm still going to enter, because gold has been very weird, guys. See this price action. See this consolidation. This was where we bought yesterday. You discovered that there's an entry. It's consolidated. The whole of yesterday consolidated. Stopped me out. Moved up. Came down again. It's just weird price action, honestly, but it's fine. So guys, this was the trade I took. I took the first entry, stopped me out. I took re-entry, stopped me out again, and now we went in profit. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. A lot of people will say that I put it at the swing low. Okay, let me put it at the swing low. Sorry, there's so many things in the way. So this is the swing low. So if you say that, as in the swing low, we still chop SL. So like, guys, I know where I'm putting my SLs. You get, I put my SLs at places that if price just touch the SL, there's no need to shout too much about it. It's just that price has been like this every single time. See this this I marked, that's another block. And for every you keep going back, you discover that most other blocks are being swept. They sweep all the other blocks. I don't know why, but some are not being swept, but like most of them. So yeah, this is the trade I was supposed to be in. So yeah, I don't know if I'll look for another entry. I might look for another entry if this breaks. If this one breaks this high, I might enter another entry. So you guys might discover that there's not much clips in these videos because I'm trying to put it under 15 minutes. So yeah, I don't want it to be long like the last video. A lot of you guys enjoyed the last video, so but also I don't want it to be too long every single time. So yeah, and also this is the reality of trading. Like, I feel like this is the part a lot of people won't show you guys online, right? Won't show you guys online that there are crazy losing streaks. There's this guy, Ahmed, is it Ahmed? Something Ashraf. I've forgotten his Muslim name, but it's Ashraf. So this guy said there was a time he was already profitable and he had losing streaks for like 6 months. And I was just like, bro, that's crazy. There's some things in trading now when you listen to them, it scares you. Yeah, but when you start going through them, like you just start feeling like you give up trading. So it's quite crazy to me. Those are the things that like keep me active in the game, and I'm like, you know what, this time will pass. Because the month before last month, I had a very good month. The month before last month, I was on a not winning streak per se, but like I was winning consistently. Yeah, like I was winning consistently. The war has not started yet. You know, the market was still fine, so I was winning consistently. You know, my fees too, I passed it in just 2 trades or 3 trades. You get consistent wins. You get, even when I was on the live account, I took the first trade. I took the first 6 trade was losses. Then I took another trade. It was a win. Then I took another trade again. That took me to like 200 because we're in drawdown. I took another trade again. We came out of drawdown to like 200 and something. Was a win. After the payout, I took another trade again, which was about $300. Was a win. So I had 3 trades, winning consistently. So when I remember those times, I'm like, bro, it's not the strategy. It's not. It might be a little bit of me because I'm human, but at the same time, these things happen. So I'm just kind of flowing with the vibes, honestly. So guys, on my live account, I'm 3 trades for blowing my account. Right, it's 3% that is left before I blow my account. So these next 3 trades, they'll either make my account or they'll blow my account. So guys, as you can see, I'm seeing this sell position on gold. This whole liquidity seems to want to be swept out, so I'll take a sell from this place, this other block right here, above all this liquidity. Once the liquidity has swept, and I'll take it to this place. So I'll wait for confirmation here to buy if that's possible, if it gives me confirmation. But if not, this is the next place I'll take a straight entry from. So price is already going back up aggressively, so I think price would come back here to tap. Today is Friday, by the way. I was not thinking I'll see any trade today, but it seems like price is coming up to try to, you know, reach this place. So I'm not sure if it's going to happen today or next week, but this is a very good zone for me to sell from. And yeah, that's basically what I'm looking at. So guys, I just put this entry on GK. So what I did was, I saw this breaker block at the top here, but I didn't enter because why? I discovered that the lengths at which the pullbacks have been are not this short, so I put my entry down here at this other block down here. So I'm hoping that it's this other block that gets tapped to go to the upside. This is a target for the higher time frame. So yeah. So guys, it's starting to look like that first entry is the right entry, but I still want to see what price will do. But if price goes up and clears this place, then this entry becomes invalid. So I still want to see what price will do. But this entry, I had this, but because I wanted to be safe, I had to take this one.
because price could still very well just come back here. So I wanted to be safe. I don't have enough capital to take a loss here and take a buy here. Okay, so I just wanted to be safe and just wait for it. So, and if it moves to the top, then it's fine, I guess, till another day.
So what you guys will notice is that first area I marked is holding on well, right? But this market is about to close. If it has not even closed yet, okay, it has closed. Market has closed, and I don't know what's gonna happen on Monday, but this area held up well, right? Could have been a winning trade that I missed, whatever. But what I'm just trying to do is I'm trying to avoid a lot of losses. So I'm avoiding losses to get the wins, because I've been entering some trades that I'm not supposed to commit to fully, right? And leaving the ones that I'm supposed to commit to fully. So it's going to be the opposite. If it's that I'm going to only take 2 trades in a week to pass this account, then so be it. Yeah, so that's the kind of way I'm going to pass soon. So that's what I want to do. Yeah. So this one looks more high risk because it's exposing me to the entry down here. So this could be a win, but at the same time there's a possibility of it coming down here. So I'd rather take this one that doesn't have any possibility of it going any further than this one up here. So yeah. So guys, this was the trade I wanted to take yesterday. Today is Saturday. So it seems to be holding, but I don't know. This web market closed yesterday. I think I already showed it. But I'm anticipating that price would break this low to come to this place. Right? That's what I'm thinking. That price would still break this low to come to this side. All this place is just been struggling. It's not really been moving. So market open, we should get this tapped in to buy. So here's the trade on that GJ. You can remember I used this breaker block to just do as if I wanted to enter here, right? When you discover that something happened. See this long wick. That was why I was like, there's a possibility for price to come here. So for the people doubting my strategy and thinking that maybe my SL is too small and stuff, right? So I've backtested a total of 1,021 trades so far. Here's my best returns, right? Here's my best returns, and here's my average win rate. So if you go to the analytics, go to my analytics, right? See, my win rate is like 60%. Net P&L, you see. Let me show you guys something. So losing trades that I've had about 34 losing trades. Let me go and check the winning trades. So winning trades, I've had about 42 winning trades, 34 losing trades. So total trades is about 76 total trades. So it's not like I just went and just started this thing. I've traded it. These are all the back testing I've done. This one I turned it from $10 to 300 and something. This one I can't remember, like $10. This one to like $1,000. This one I just started it US30. I'm just experimenting with US30 here. This one I turned it from $1,000 too, and this one too was like $1,000 too. So like it's crazy how this is working, but it's just that the market condition right now, I understand my strategy is profitable, but the market conditions are bad. Yeah, so that's basically the issue. But this next week we're going to do better by far. Yo guys, I'm wrapping up the video here. Guys, it's been a rough week, right? We didn't take much trade this week. We took I think just like 4 trades, 5, I don't know. We didn't take much at all. There was some people in the comment section that are saying change your stop loss, doing the same. The thing I'm gonna say now is I recognize real traders that are talking in the comment section and people that are just starting, right? Because some people are like, you definitely need to change your stop loss, you definitely need to increase it. When you learn the strategy, you open up, right? And when you open up, when you've learned it to an extent, you try to shield what you've already learned. If you are someone that is already experienced in trading, you shield it, because the trading space is very how will I explain it? There's too much information in the trading space, and if you don't mind yourself, you discover that you're putting things that are not in your strategy, you're applying them to the charts, and you're like, you that don't use head and shoulders, you're already looking at the head and shoulders pattern. You that don't use support and resistance, you're already looking at tapping up. These things are things that happen in real time in the market. So whenever you learn a strategy, you protect yourself. And I kudos to like the people that actually suggested, and I'm not like you have to. I suggested, and I suggest you do something like this. It might help. That's more reasonable to me, and I know that those kind of people are people that are actually active in the market and know that as a trader you can't just accept everything that comes your way. So I see everybody's comments. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everything you guys have been doing, viewing my video. The video was about 40 something minutes, and a lot of you guys watched it to the end, so I do appreciate you guys. I would say subscribe, like, and comment. As always, you guys know how to reply your comments. And also I appreciate the people that are suggesting things that I should do. This is a very hard time in the market. It's not only me that is seeing this kind of shaky you get, but there's been a very consolidating stage on gold, right? And even I found out on time I would have not traded gold. You guys discovered that the only win I had was on GJ, because GJ was better than gold. So if I had known, I would have just switched to like a pair that is not gold, that was not affected by the war too much. So that was the win I had, and hopefully this next week is okay. I heard US has striked Iran again. We'll move with caution this next week. And guys, see you guys on the next one. Peace.